average person spends roughly a third of their life in their bedroom. Because it's one of the most used rooms in your home, it should be a place you enjoy spending time. This type of project may seem intimidating, but we're here to help. The best approach to remodeling a bedroom is to be organized and prepared, and this guide will cover all the basics. Return on investment. On average, giving your primary bedroom a fresh look can give you a return on investment of 40 to 80%. Expanded closets or a new bathroom in your primary bedroom are highly desirable features and will increase your return on investment. Even aesthetic changes as simple as new furniture, bedding, lighting, window treatments, or built-in storage in your closets can add interest to your primary bedroom and increase the overall value of your home. Keep it simple. Updating your bedroom doesn't have to include a total renovation. Oftentimes, you can create a beautiful bedroom without doing any construction or having a big budget. Sometimes, all it takes is a few minor changes to completely transform a room, like painting or installing wallpaper, getting new carpet or new area rugs, installing new window treatments, rearranging your existing furniture or purchasing new pieces, buying a new bed frame or bedspread, and hanging wall art. All of these options can create a completely different look and feel in a primary bedroom for much less money than a total remodel. But if you don't think small aesthetic changes are enough, then a complete remodel may be the best option. Increasing bedroom size. If you want to add space to your primary bedroom, there are a number of options, though your specific options will depend on your property and budget. For example, if you have the existing yard space and your budget and local zoning laws allow it, you could create the space you need by knocking down an exterior wall and expanding your home onto your lot. If you are unable to expand your home outward, removing interior walls to create one large room out of two smaller rooms may be an option. Another option could be repurposing a different space to be your new primary bedroom. If you decide to expand your home, be sure your contractor checks with zoning regulations and deed restrictions to guarantee your project complies with any and all rules where you live. Preparing for the future. If you are in your forever home and are planning an extensive bedroom remodel, be sure to consider your needs as you grow older and plan for all ages. These are all options worth taking into consideration when doing a primary bedroom remodel. Making a good solid plan before beginning your project will save you time, money, and stress, but establishing a good remodel plan can take a while to get right in some cases, so be sure you don't rush the process. Here are some things to think about as you plan your bedroom remodel. Why are you remodeling? For looks, function, or both? What about your current bedroom is not working anymore? What style are you going for? What do you want to use the space for? How much are you able and willing to spend? Once you have a plan, determine what you need to make your remodel happen. This could be anything from paint to window treatments, new flooring, area rugs, etc. Having a clear plan of action will minimize any delays and allow your project to finish as quickly and smoothly as possible, which can save you time and money in the long run.